This is MA.SOLEDAD Famor from B.Ed 3B. How will you organize a multi-grade classroom? The areas that should be in each multi-grade classroom include the following: students' desks or tables, learning center and reading corners, dress-up corner or home corner, teachers' area including desk and cupboards, class shop, and display area and chalkboard. What is the ideal classroom environment for multi-grade setting? Creating and implementing classroom procedure is the key to achieving a positive classroom environment. Procedures are routines that need to be taught so that students know what is expected. In addition to arranging the room and practicing moving into groups, students can be involved in discussing their rationale for establishing other procedures to govern their classroom. Remember, the key to effective procedure is consistency. What are the requirements for effective multigrade teaching? Multigrade teachers should be flexible and equipped with the knowledge of using various strategies. They need to overcome the problems and peculiarities inside the class. Multigrade teachers should be flexible to make the curriculum fitted to the multigrade classes. What are the teaching approaches in multigrade class? In multigrade teaching, the teacher can follow different approaches like direct observation, guidance of peer group students, lesson-oriented teaching, group learning, and supervision method. A single teacher may face a situation to handle 2 or 3 or 5 classes at a time. Number 1, letter A is true, letter B is false, letter C is false, letter D is true, and letter E is false. Now question number 2. Describe how you would arrange your classroom for storytelling. Include a diagram of the seating arrangements in your answer. This is the diagram that I have chosen, and this will be my classroom arrangements if ever we will be having a storytelling in the class. I choose this arrangement because I want the children to listen attentively, and with this arrangement, I know that the discussion will be more engaging. Describe how you would position your desk in your multi-grade classroom and explain why you have selected this arrangement. Well, this is the position that I will be using in my multi-grade class, and the reason why I'm using this because I want the children to communicate or collaborate to each one another. How would you use your outside classroom and how would you prepare for the class? Well, learning experiences outside the classroom are forms of experiential learning. Learning outside of the classroom is an active process wherein students encounter authentic problems, construct novel hypotheses, test for real solutions, and interact with others to make sense of the world around them. As a teacher, I will be the one to facilitate the class and ensure the safety of my students outside the school premises, and I will make sure that the learning will be more fun and exciting. Well, this is the classroom layout that I have chosen, and this classroom layout will definitely help Miss Maru to organize her classroom. Why is the physical learning environment important? A well-maintained and safe physical environment of high quality fosters positive attitudes and motivations related to students' ability to learn academic achievement and prosocial behavior. List at least 5 areas that could be included in a multi-grade classroom. Well, this is what I've chosen. First one is student desk or tables, learning center and reading corner. The second one is dress-up corner or home corner. The third one is teacher's area, including desk and cupboards. The fourth one is class shop. And the last one is display area and chalkboard. Why does the multi-grade teacher need to be close to the youngest students in the classroom? Well, the teacher needs to be close to the youngest learners because they need help more often than the older learners. Now, what is the timeout area used for? Timeout works to change problem behaviors because children don't usually like to be bored. Timeout is not used for almost behaviors. Some behaviors like crying or winning can be ignored. What is the importance of having a class shop in a multigrade classroom? Well, it is important because it allows learners to develop their social skills, to develop learners' mathematical skills, and to develop their language skills. 8. Why would you have a language arts center in your classroom? Well, the purpose of a language arts class is to improve students' understanding and the ability to use written and spoken language. Again, this is Maria Soledad Famor from B and 3B, and I thank you.